Hello, good morning, all of you. Screen, share screen, madam.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, madam. Share screen and video open.
Sir, yeah, you may share your video, sir, but
Okay,
we
madam.
don't really want the videos.
I want to share
Okay,
the
okay.
screen.
You can, sir. You
Okay, thank you, madam. Thank you very much. Okay, I will start, madam. Good morning, all of you. Last day we discussed about method of metal cutting, abrasion, fusion, and incision, and next files, parts of files, what are the point edge, point cutting edge, body, heel tag, which is different parts are there. Next, cut off file, single cut, double cut, half cut, curved cut. Different purpose का different cut off files use करना चाहिए. Next, ये रासपट especially for wood, soft metal and leather. The next grade of file, rough file, frosted file, second cut file, smooth file, dead smooth file. The 5 grades of files are there. The cut off file अलग है, grade of file अलग है. The purposes last time we discussed today, there are different and flat file का hand file का क्या अंतर है? Flat file 2/3 taper है, 2/3 parallel, 1/3 taper है, but hand file का full length है parallel and flat file का दो एज में सिंगल टीथ है, बट इसी में one edge single teeth, another edge there is no teeth. Next tri square. It's a different engineering tri square. It's a accuracy tri square than carpenter tri square. Accuracy. Next, it's a Jenny caliper. We are in carpenter. We are using a marking gauge for marking parallel lines. Single parallel line के लिए marking gauge, double parallel के लिए matrix gauge. But in metal, we are using a Jenny caliper for parallel lines and for locating center of round bar. Cold chisel. पर ज़्यादा मटेरियल पड़ा है तो क्या ना, पहले सिजिल से पूरा चिल करने के बाद फाइल करना चाहिए, है ना. 5 mm में फाइल करके ज़्यादा टाइम लगेगा, इसलिए पहले क्या करना, कोल्ड सिजिल से सारा मटेरियल निकाल के बाद में फाइल करके फिनिशिंग करना पड़ेगा. क्या डिफरेंट सिजिल है, the parts of chisel, head, body, point, cutting edge, or they made of high carbon steel or chromium. The cross section of chisel is generally hexagonal and octagonal, sometimes rectangular. And the types of cold chisel, flat chisel, cross cut chisel, diamond point chisel, half round chisel, web chisel. डिफरेंट मेटल चेंज करने के लिए पॉइंट एंगल है डिफरेंट डिग्री में है एंड एंगल इंक्लिनेशन भी फॉलो द एंगल इंक्लिनेशन फॉर शिपिंग के लिए. एंड नेक्स्ट एक्टा फ्रेम, देयर आर व्हाट इज द एक्टा फ्रेम एंड व्हाट आर द टाइप्स ऑफ एक्टा फ्रेम. इट्स सॉलिड फ्रेम है, ट्यूबुलर फ्रेम है एंड सॉलिड फ्रेम है, not adjustable. So the adjustable frame we can adjust 250 milligram, 250 millimeter and 300 millimeter blade लगा सकते हैं. And इधर flat type and tubular type पड़ा. अच्छा एक्टा blade. What are the एक्टा blade? is a thin band, a steel band with 2 pinholes and teeth. It's a different pitch of blades available in market. Coarse 1.8 millimeter, medium 1.4 or 1 millimeter, fine 0.8 millimeter, and a setting of saw. Actually, we are hands are sitting in the left and right feet. Same sitting is in the axa blade. But there are two types: stragged set and a wave set. इधर चित्र दिखना समझ जाते हैं. Next, axa blade. Wave set blades available 0.8 millimeter. 0.8 millimeter pitch. But 1 millimeter wave set available. Staggered set available blades. Over 1 millimeter only staggered. Surface gauge for marking, lines are for checking the height of the job or for centering purpose in lathe for centering the job. There are two types. It's a solid type, fixed or solid. It is a universal. We can adjust fine adjustment like bevel outside caliper and inside caliper. We can. There is a two joints, firm joint, spring joint. With spring joint, we can adjust finely. And scriber is already we are using in carpenter. The scriber is a marking tool. Divider is for marking a circle, arc, or divisions, shape of files, flat file, square file, round file, half round file, triangle file, knife edge file. Okay, now the above files are available single cut and double cut, and a box single cut and a smooth also. The different sizes: 100 millimeter, 1 millimeter, 200, 250, 300, and 400 millimeter. Okay. Hello, Bhupender, क्या? Hello. Now, next. Today the new topic is drill holding devices. For drilling holes on metal, अगर metal में drill करने क्या drill bit पकड़ना चाहिए, इसे अच्छा पकड़ना चाहिए. इसलिए क्या यूज करना पड़ेगा? इसे drill holding devices, either drill chuck or sleeves. Okay, for drilling holes on material, drill bits are to be held accurately and rigidly on the machine. So machine में मैं drill bit अच्छा पकड़ना चाहिए, rigidly पक्का बराबर पकड़ना, and accuracy से 90 degree होना चाहिए. Common drill holding devices are drill chuck and sleeves and sockets. सभी को जानते हैं वो drill chuck की, but in there are sleeves and sockets are using for drill holding devices. Okay, what are the first drill chuck? Drill chuck only for straight shank drill bit. Okay, only straight. There are two types of drill bit. एक parallel shank drill bit और एक taper shank drill bit. Generally 3 millimeter to 12 millimeter, maximum 12 millimeter तक parallel shank drill bit we are using maximum. Now, above 12 millimeter, taper shank is best for drilling. Straight shank drills are held in drill chuck. For fixing and removing drill chuck is providing pinion and key. पर इसका drill bit पकड़ने के लिए क्या इधर की है, इधर pinion है, इसका क्या open कर सकते and close कर सकते, opening or closing with the help of key. The drill chucks are held in machine spindle by means of an arbor fitted on the drill chuck. This is a sleeve, it's a shaft, machine में spindle इसे arbor में से लगा कर दो. Just we insert automatically पकड़ सकते हैं. The tapper is there, automatically पकड़ कर सकते हैं. Drill chuck. Okay, next. Taper sleeves and drill socket. That's about 1 millimeter. We can use taper sleeves or socket use करना पड़ेगा. So what is the taper sleeve or socket? Taper shank drill has Morse taper. Morse taper means इधर नीचे बड़ा साइज डाया, इसे ऊपर रहने का उससे छोटा साइज से डाया आएगा एंड ऊपर एक रेक्टेंगुलर टॉन्ग इज देयर, स्मॉल टॉन्ग. दैट इज a taper shank bit. The taper shank drills have Morse taper. That is called, the name is Morse taper. Sleeves and sockets are made with the same taper. Sleeves and sockets are made with the same taper. Taper shank of the drill, when engaged, will give good wedging action. The taper shank drill bit in the sleeves में लगा था ऑटोमेटिक पक्का बैठ जाएगा एंड अच्छा पकड़ कर. There is no vibration or there is no loosening, ऑटोमेटिक पकड़ टाइट हो जाएगा. Due to this reason, most tappers are called self-folding tapper. Just we लगा तो ऑटोमेटिक फोल्डिंग हो जाएगा. There is no key and pinion installation. That is called self-folding tapper. Most tapper number from MT1 to MT5. MT1 to MT1, MT2, MT3, other different most tapper one. Most tapper one means the below diameter and the upper diameter the different diameters in a different MT1, MT5. Okay, small size to bigger size. When the drill tapper shank is bigger than the machine spindle, tapper sockets are used. Generally, the drill bit, for example, 35 mm drill bit. 35 mm drill bit, most tapper is bigger than the machine spindle. क्या मशीन में स्पिंडल है ना, इसे स्पिंडल में वो 35 mm ड्रिल बिट नहीं लगा सकते, क्यों ना, इसका टैपर इसे मोटा, ज़्यादा मोटा ड्रिल बिट, इसलिए इसका दोनों का बीच में क्या लगाना चाहिए, क्या यूज़ करना पड़ेगा, इसे सॉकेट यूज़ करना पड़ेगा. यूज ड्रिफ्ट टू रिमूव ड्रिल एंड सॉकेट फ्रॉम द मशीन में खोलने का क्या रहा, ड्रिफ्ट एक मेटल पीस, ड्रिफ्ट metal piece using mallet से automatically sleeve or socket or Morse taper drill bit, we can remove the from spindle. What is that? This is called sleeves. इसे देखना, इधर है छोटा डायामीटर है, इधर पर ये वाला ये स्लीव पहले ड्रिलिंग मशीन में ड्रिल मशीन स्पिंडल में लगाना चाहिए, उसके बाद बिट इधर लगाना पड़ेगा. इधर है स्लॉट इज देयर, द ड्रिफ्ट, इस ड्रिफ्ट इस स्लॉट में अंदर का इसे वी पुट इन टू स्लॉट एंड हैमरिंग विथ हैमर और मैलेट, ड्रिल विल कम आउट. देखना इधर है, दिस इज ए स्लीव, it will fit into drill spindle, it will for drill bit. So now drill bit size is more than spindle size. So now we can understand what is the sleeve, what is the socket. Next, these are called drill holding devices. Various gauges. Various gauges is checking tools used to check internal and external radius of workpiece. Internal and external radius of workpiece. Radius means what is it? So that is the corner is a radius है ना, ये क्या radius है, ढूंढने के लिए radius के जो readily just we place the radius gauge, automatically we book कर सकते हैं easily. Used to check internal and external radius of workpiece, made of high quality steel sheet and finished to accurate radius. available in sets of several blades held in one holder. Say different blades one holder में different blade setting होगा. Each blade can separately pulled out. One of the each blade we can remove from holder. Size of the radius is marked on the individual blade. The size अलग-अलग blade में the stamp is there. This is a R10. R10 means radius 10. Radius 5. This is stamp is there. Marked or stamp. Available in different combinations with different combination with internal and external radiuses. What is the different combination? Actually, it's a radius gauge. One side outer diameter, outer radius blades are there. Another side inner radius blades are there. This is a combination. But different. This only for outer radius, external radius check only blade, and only for internal checking. That is internal checking. Internal radius blades available external radius blades अलग. But in one holder में एक side external, एक side internal. That is a combination. These are called radius gauges. देखो इसे ऊपर वाला ऐसे inner radius and नीचे वाला इसका external radius, internal radius, external radius. These are only for external radius. There is no internal radius. This is only for external. And one more thing, it is available in millimeter and inches also. Millimeter and inches. British system and metric system. Radius gauges. Okay. Now, cutting speed and RPM. We discussed while drilling different metal drill करने के लिए different speed होना चाहिए और small 3 millimeter होल करना पड़ेगा. इसका ज़्यादा स्पीड लगा सकते. स्पीडली 3 millimeter ड्रिल होल करके ज़्यादा स्पीड कर सकते. और 12 millimeter का करने का टाइम क्या है, स्पीड कम करना चाहिए. नहीं तो ड्रिल बिट विल ब्रोकन और जॉब विल ब्रोकन और एनी एक्सीडेंट चलेगा. इसलिए cutting speed and RPM we are following that. Cutting speed is the speed at which the cutting edge passes over the material while cutting and expressed in meter per minute. The cutting speed is a process, it's a drilling, this is a speed process. इसका यूनिट कैसे मीटर पर मिनट. एक मिनट का 60 seconds. How many meters running? That is called cutting speed. Cutting speed is a speed at which the cutting edge passes over the material while cutting. The drill करने का time. The expressed in meter per minute. Cutting speed is also sometimes stated as a surface speed or peripheral speed. Cutting speed का another name surface speed. Surface speed का another name peripheral speed. इसे 3 names are there. The one word answer आएगा. Cutting speed is also called as peripheral speed or surface speed. Okay. Cutting speed for drilling depends on the material to be drilled and a tool material. Cutting speed depends upon the ferrous metal का drill करने के अलग के speed होना चाहिए. Aluminium और wood drill करने के अलग के speed होना चाहिए. Cutting speed for drilling depends on the material to be drilled and tool metal. Now the tabular column is there, cutting speed and RPM. This decide what are the material to be drilling, the cutting speed. It's actually a tabular time is a tabular available in the machine shop. They already the aluminum में drill करना पड़ेगा. इसका क्या 70 to 100 meter per minute. इसे machine में some actually there are two types of drilling machine. एक machine is belt type है और एक geared type drilling machines are there. Geared heavy duty geared type है. इसे geared type में side में एक this type of columns are there. There we can change the gear. We can change for aluminum cutting. The gear will change. And that is called 70 to 100 millimeter, 100 meter per minute में वो चलेगा. और brass cutting करेगा, so we can change the lever to setting to required speed. A geared drilling machine में कर सकते. Ordinary pulley drilling machine में नहीं कर सकते. Sir, aluminum 70 to 100 meter per minute, brass 35 to 50 meter per minute, bronze 20 to 35 meter per minute, cast iron 25 to 40 meter per minute, copper, steel 20 to 30, steel, alloy, high tensile, 5 to 8. क्यों ना the hard material में speed कम करना पड़ेगा. Aluminum is a soft material. इसमें क्या 70 to 100 इस cast iron का देख लो 25 to 40. It's different. Okay. Right, so we cannot maintain the speed. The drill bit will broken or a job will damage or a operator can attend with the accident. That is the problem. So manually we are calculating how to calculate the cutting speed. The calculating RPM. V equal to N into D into pi by 1000 meter per minute. अब automatically N उधर left side आ जाएगा, V इधर side है. N equal to, that is called N equal RPM. V equal to cutting speed in millimeter per minute. D equal to diameter of the drill in millimeter. Pi equal to 3.141. That is N equal to 70 into 100 by 12 into 3.14. 1857 RPM होना चाहिए. पर 70 cutting speed इधर कितने दिया 70 पर 70 means for aluminum. 70 means aluminum. Is tabular column already available is there. We can calculate it. We can setting the drilling machine में RPM 1857. But वहाँ पे अच्छा ऐसा RPM नहीं है. 1800 to 1900 और 1800 to 1850. 1851 to 1900, different range is there. You can adjust the lever. This is a manual calculating. Next is speed. पहले drill का speed है. Now speed means we give the force है ना. इससे 3 lever is there. We give the force to drilling, so depth जाने के लिए. That is called speed. Speed is the distance will advance into the work in one complete rotation. एक rotation का कितना millimeter depth गया, अगर वो that is called feeding. Speed is expressed in hundreds of millimeter regarding 0.040 millimeter. That is called. Understand? Speed is we operate the lever from above to pulling down. That is a feed. सॉफ्ट वुड में क्या करना, इजीली फीडिंग, इजीली पुलिंग कर सकते हैं, डाउन कर सकते हैं। बट इन हार्ड मेटल में क्या करना, थोड़ा 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 फीडिंग करना पड़ेगा। ज़्यादा फीडिंग करते हुए क्या करना, द ड्रिल बिट विल ब्रोकन। पर देखना, ड्रिल डायामीटर, high speed steel diameter and the rate of feed meter per minute। क्या टेबलर आप लोग कोई फोटो खींच कर ले देखना, इसे 1 मिलीमीटर टू 2.5 मिलीमीटर डायामीटर ड्रिल यूज करने का क्या स्पीड होना चाहिए, क्या फीडिंग, फीडिंग मीन्स नीचे कर 0.0402 to 0.060। there is a different feeding rate is there। last one देखना 21.1 to 25 millimeter diameter of the drill bit, 0.280 and 0.380 to 0.280 to 0.380 क्या मिलीमीटर पर रेवोल्यूशन। इधर से यहाँ तक आने का कितना डेप्थ जाना पड़ेगा, ओनली 0.2 और 0.3 मिलीमीटर जाना चाहिए। दैट इज ओके। नेक्स्ट, ड्रिल बिट हैज ए डिफरेंट एंगल है ना, स्ट्रेट शैंक ड्रिल बिट और टैपर शैंक बिट दोनों एक ही है, बट इट हैज ए डिफरेंट एंगल्स आर देयर। ड्रिल एंगल like a cutting tool, the drills are provided with certain angles for efficiency in drilling। क्या ना efficiency drilling ना सुलभ easily drilling करना चाहिए, there is no finishing hole होना चाहिए। इसलिए क्या अलग अलग मटेरियल के लिए अलग अलग ड्रिल एंगल बिट यूज करना पड़ेगा। सर like all cutting tools, the drills are provided with certain angles for efficiency in drilling। Point angle, general purpose of point angle is 118 degree। Generally we are using 118 degree drill bit are using for all purpose। This is the angle between the cutting edges। This is the angle between the cutting edges। Angles vary according to hardness of the material to be drilled। क्या अलग अलग hardness of the metal, अलग अलग मेटल के लिए अलग ड्रिल एंगल पॉइंट एंगल बिट यूज करना पड़ेगा। देखिए इधर कितना दिया ना, सॉफ्ट टू मीडियम हार्ड स्टील 180 डिग्री, harder material 135 degree, soft material 90 degree। इसे डिफरेंट मेटल में डिफरेंट डिग्री ड्रिल बिट यूज करना चाहिए। दैट इज ए पॉइंट एंगल, इट इज कॉल्ड पॉइंट एंगल। इसे वन वर्ड कैंसर है, जनरल पर्पस पॉइंट एंगल ड्रिल बिट इज 118 डिग्री। नेक्स्ट हेलिक्स एंगल। हेलिक्स एंगल दिस इज ए सेंट्रल लाइन ऑफ द drill bit or rod, the central line। The central line is a margin, that is called a helix angle। Twist drills are made with different helix angles। It is called a twist। Different bit there, is auger bit, gimlet, is a twist bit, shallow bit, center bit, say different bits are available। But in a mechanical, for metal cutting, twist bits are used generally। For wood cutting, different bits are using for wood cutting, but for metal cutting, twist bits are using। The twist drills are made with a different helix angle। Helix angle determines the rack angle at the cutting edge of the twist। Say this a rack angle is there, from here to this angle is called a helix angle। Helix angles vary according to material being drilled। The different drill bit has a different helix angle for a different metal cutting or for different metal boring, drilling. These types of drill are used for drilling various metals. A type N, type H, type S. There is three types. Type N for normal low carbon steel. Type H for hard, tenacious material. Type S for soft and tough material. There is a type N, type H and type H there. Type N मतलब क्या? It's a helix angle type N. It means for carbon, low carbon steel. Type H for hard metal. For type S for soft metal. Okay, this is a helix angle. Rack angle. Rack angle is the angle of the flute. Actually, the flute is there, na? So, while cutting, drilling, the chips will come out through flute. This is a rack angle. This is surface to this is a rack angle. For helix angle means क्या? It's a central line. A drill bit का central line to this. That is called a helix angle. But surface job, this point to say, this point that is called a rack angle. Understand? Helix angle from central line to this point. Rack angle from bottom to this point. Next is Cecil edge angle or web angle. This is the angle between the Cecil edge and the cutting lip. This is a Cecil edge. This is the cutting lip. This is the angle between the Cecil edge, and the cutting lip. The corner is a cutting, that is a cutting lip. Next is clearance angle. What is the clearance angle? Clearance angle is to prevent the friction of the tool behind the cutting edge. Actually, the point is cutting the material, the sharp point. इसे actually बराबर है तो actually this point is cutting. This point is a cutting the job है. But थोड़ा हल्का taper होना चाहिए. सिर्फ job is there. थोड़ा हल्का taper. There is no problem. बराबर बैठ गया क्या है ना? Automatically friction is there. Only cutting edge only touch the job. Automatically cleaning कर सकते. There is no friction है. That is called clearance angle देना पड़ेगा. This will help the penetration of the cutting edges to the material. अगर फुला बारा सारा जगह में वो बैठ गया friction is there. Penetration आएगा. There is no finished hole, not available finished hole. If the clearance angle is too much, the cutting will break. If it is too small, the drill will not cut. Actually, the clearance angle, as per standard, में drill करना, grind करना चाहिए. There is too much angle, is automatically the cutting is it will damage. इससे मजबूत रहेगा तो damage will damage. But too small है तो drill नहीं कर सकते. Next, designation of drill bit, diameter, tool type, material. Example there, Swiss drill 9.5 bar H bar IS 5101 high speed. Say 9.50 millimeter drill diameter. H means tool type. Tool type means this is. Understand? The helix angle, type N, type H, type S. And it's a highest standard. Indian standard is some number is there. HS is a material, high speed steel. There is a high speed steel, HSS bit, high carbon steel bit, those bit available. Okay, this is high speed steel. Next, we are drilling all metals. Some defects are comes while after drilling. What are the defects? The common defects in a oversized hole. Yeah, we want a 10 millimeter dia, but we want a 10.5 millimeter head. What is the reason? Overheated drill. While drilling, the drill bit is heated, more heated. Why? And a rough hole. After the drilling, the hole, not a finished hole, it's a roughly hole. Why? Unequal and uninterrupted flow of chips. While drilling the time, the chips will come freely coming out. But sometimes it will come, sometimes not coming. What is the reason? And split webs are broken drill. Sometimes it's a web with a cutting edge that will broken. Or drill bit also will broken. Why? What is the reason? We follow next. Oversized hole. What is the reason for oversized hole? Unequal length of the cutting edges. It's a cutting edges. This is called the cutting edges. Either a edge is there and on the oppositely one edge is there. That is equal होना चाहिए. Unequal length of cutting edges. Unequal angle of the cutting edges. First unequal length and the next unequal angle of the cutting edge. And unequal point, that is a thinning. Spindle, sometimes drill bit is sahi hai, but machine spindle will it's a oval, it's a running out. Running out means just that is called spindle running out of center. Drill point not in center. Sometimes the drill point is a 180 degree is a point. That will not in center also. Bada size hole chance is there. Sometimes a drill bit will also oval. It's a drill bit. Sometimes halka only bend drill bit we can use drill. Automatically it will bada size hole again. Different reasons are there. Number one, unequal length of the cutting edge, unequal angle of the cutting edge, unequal point of pinning, and a spin. Sometimes a spindle is running out of center. A drill bit in not in center. Not in center, there are two other reason. We hold the bit three jagah center में fixing करना चाहिए. हल्का different है तो automatically चलेगा. Next, overheated. Why? What is the reason? Overheated. Cutting speed is too high. Actually, we can 25 to 40 meter per minute cutting speed देना पड़ेगा. But we can 70 to 100 meter setting करके क्या cutting speed over है. That is the reason for overheated drill. Maybe वो भी कारण है for drill bit गर्म जाती है ना गर्म. Feed rate is too high. पर क्या है ना actually we feed rate slowly देना चाहिए. क्या वो काम तुरंत करने के लिए क्या ज़्यादा स्पीड लगे तो ऑटोमेटिकली drill bit will heat. The clearance angle is incorrect. It's a clearance angle है ना. It's a clearance angle. It's incorrect. Cooling is effective. Actually, cooling method. The water or soluble oil or oil, it's a effective cooling होना पड़ेगा. And the point angle is incorrect. Sometimes we have anytime we used sharp drill bit. The drill bit will be blended. That is the reason for heated drill. Anytime any tool, not the drill bit, any chisels, any cutting tools. We are using come करने के पहले must sharp the all tools. That is, we follow the rules. Next है common defect. रफ होल के क्या कारण है? Feed rate is too much. Feed rate means ज़्यादा and drill cutting edges are not sharp. Drill bit is not sharp है तो रफ होल है. Cooling है अच्छा, there is no effective cooling. That is the reason. It's an unequal flow of chips. What is that? Cutting edges are not equal. Point angle is not in the center of the drill. Point angle is not in the center of the drill. Next, broken drill or split drill. What is the reason? Cutting speed is too high. Cutting speed. We want to settings 25 to 40, but cutting speed is 60 to 80. That is the cutting speed is too high. Feed rate is too high. Work is not rigidly held. Actually, drill से क्या जॉब में ड्रिल कर रहे हैं और जॉब क्या अच्छा बराबर वाइस क्या वाइस है मिशन वाइस में रिजिडली हेल्ड करना चाहिए, पकड़ना पड़ेगा. Any loose is there, automatically drill bit will broken. Drill is not held in correctly. So, for example, sleeve में पक्का sleeve में लगाना चाहिए, नहीं तो drill check इस करके drill check three jaw में सेंटर में पक्का बैठना पड़ेगा. उसके बाद के साथ पक्का टाइट करना चाहिए. That is, a drill is not held in correctly. Drill is not sharp. Point angle incorrect. Cooling is insufficient. Fluids are clogged with chips. ड्रिल करने के टाइम में कटिंग चिप्स बाहर आना चाहिए ना, वहाँ पे इसके बीच में कोई क्लॉग्ड मीन से उधर चिप जाएगा तो चिप बाहर नेक्स्ट चिप बाहर नहीं आएगा. उसके टाइम में the drill bit will broken. This is the reason for. Okay, what is the reason? Actually, common drill effect. What is the common drill effect? Oversized heel, overheated drill, rub hole, unequal or interrupted flow of chips, and split webs are broken webs. Next, counter shrinking. The counter shrinking is an operation of beveling the end of the drill hole. Already drilled hole is the top of the drill hole. We enlarging or beveling, like this is a beveling. That is, counter shrinking is a operation of beveling the end of a drill hole. The tool used is called counter shrink tool. To provide a recess for head of counter shrink screw. क्यों बनाया हो? काउंटर शिंक बैठने के लिए, काउंटर शिंक स्क्रू बैठने के लिए. Actually, in CSK wooden screw, actually 90 degree. CSK wooden screw 90 degree. In carpenter, we are using 90 degree counter shrink bit. For metal, different angle cutting counter shrink bits available. What are the different? For 75 degree counter shrink for riveting purpose. For riveting, दो लोहा riveting करने का चाहिए. ये लोहा में ये लोहा दो साइड में 75 degree counter shrinking बना चाहिए. Okay. For example, self tapping screw के लिए 80 degree counter shrink use करना पड़ेगा. For counter shrink for head screw or debarring screw for 90 degree. 120 degree chamfering ends for holes to be threaded. Actually, इसमें चूड़ी बना चाहिए कि होल बना है उसमें चूड़ी बना चाहिए. चूड़ी बनने के बाद 120 डिग्री चैम्पर है, एंड में 120 डिग्री बना चाहिए. और screw, the क्या screw is a machine screw बैठने के लिए. Counter sinking or the counter sinker with the pilot one. Actually, counter sink tools. Commonly, used counter sinks have multiple cutting edges. Okay. This is generally we are using this type of a tool, multiple edges, available in taper shank and straight shank. ये वाला है ना, इसे taper shank and straight shank, taper shank bits are available. A counter sink with the pilot, actually this is called the pilot. This is called the pilot. Next time we will pilot, that is called pilot. For precision counter sinking needed for machine tool, assembling and after machining process, counter sinks with the pilots are used. Counter sinks with the pilots are available with the interchangeable and the solid. Already, actually, it's a job. It's already 10 mm hole बनाया. We want to make it a counter sinking 70 degree, 90 degree. Yeah, we can drill directly कर सकते. But the center line sometimes it this side or this side chances is there. There is a chance, but we can use this pilot. This is called a pilot. For example, इधर 10 millimeter drill है और 10 millimeter drill pilot यूज करना पड़ेगा. तो 10 millimeter pilot क्या बराबर इधर drill hole में और पूरा बैठ जाएगा. तो बैठने के बाद the center will not change. बराबर काउंटर शैंक बना सकते. Center line automatically will come straight. That is a pilot. Okay. Counter sinks with the pilots are available with interchangeable. Sir, only one counter sink bit. We can change the pilot 8 millimeter or 10 millimeter or 12 millimeter, 6 millimeter pilot. We can put in or निकालने चाहिए और वो लगा सकते हैं इसमें. Counter boring and spot facing. Counter boring is an operation of enlarging hole to give depth to house heads of socket head or cup screw with help of counter bore tool. The counter sink means this is a counter sink, but a counter boring means parallel extra diameter. 10 mm hole already hold 10 mm, but we want 15 mm extra diameter. That is called counter bore. Some depth, to required depth. Counter bore tool, it is used for counter boring is called counter bore. It will have 2 or more cutting edges. These are available with a solid pilot or interchangeable pilot. Some counter bore solid pilots is already fixed or welded. Some counter bore bit interchangeable. We can change the different diameter of pilot. Counter bore is next is spot facing. Spot facing is a machining operation for producing a flat sheet for bolt head or washer or nut and the opening of the drill hole tool is called spot facer or spot facing. It's a screw pitch gauge there. Screw pitch gauge is used to determine the pitch of the thread. But we have a bolt. We have bolt. But what is the pitch of the bolt? We don't know. We find out the pitch of the screw. But there is a readily available screw pitch gauge. For example, इसमें 10 mm है, इसमें screw pitch gauge इधर बैठना चाहिए, बैठना क्या बराबर फुल्ली बैठना पड़ेगा, फुल्ली बैठने का उसके बाद इधर देखना पड़ेगा, there is a gap, इसे लाइट नहीं आना पड़ेगा, पर बराबर फिट होना चाहिए, बराबर फिट के बाद that is a screw pitch gauge. Screw pitch gauge is used to determine the pitch of the thread. It is also used to compare the profile of the thread. इसे compare कर सकते हैं, इसे profile of thread compare कर सकते हैं, इसे it is a screw pitch. What is the construction and features of screw pitch gauge? Available with the number of blades assembled in a set में number of blade है, और इससे ना इसे जैसे होल्डर है, इसे एक सेट है, number of blades are there. Each blade is meant for checking a particular standard thread pitch. देखना इधर है, इसके stamp pitch इधर है ना, इसे इसका क्या pitch है, इधर है stamp pitch है. Each blade is meant for checking a particular standard thread pitch. Blades are made of thin swing steel sheet and are hardened. Say thin swing steel and hardened. Some blades of BSW, BSFA at one end and a metric standard at the other end. Here this is the for example, there are two types available. One side a British standard, one side a metric standard. British standard means एक सूत्र, दो सूत्र, तीन सूत्र है ना, that is a British standard. इसी से 1 millimeter, 2 millimeter, 3 millimeter. Okay. Sometimes only for millimeter. Screw pitch only for inches. That is a combination. Thread profile can each blade is cut about 25 to 30 millimeter. इसका क्या, ये blade का length है, thread is there ना, that is 25 to 30 millimeter है, 25 millimeter है, 25 millimeter बैठना पड़ेगा, और 30 millimeter है, 30 millimeter है, वो सारा बैठना चाहिए. That is the main important. Pitch of the blade is stamped on each blade. Okay, already discussed. Standard and the range of pitch are marked on the case. इसे से क्या सुधारा, ये क्या वो वाला है इसमें. For obtaining accurate result while using the pitch gauge, full length of the blade should be placed on the thread. Okay, इसे for obtaining accurate result, पक्का रिजल्ट होने के क्या चाहिए, 25 millimeter length of the profile, 25 millimeter bolt में बैठना चाहिए. That is the main important. Now, next, this is a unit 1, fitter tools. Okay, coming after lunch 5 o'clock एक होगा, वहाँ पे we discuss with the hand taps and the tap wrenches, vernier caliper, what is the vernier caliper, and mission wise, and the clamp and bolts, have plates. It's a marking tool for marking purpose. Apply angle plates, different angle plates are available for a different purpose. And what is the fitness mark, what is the marking table, what is the parallel blocks. Okay, we will discuss after next session 5 o'clock. What is the die? Okay, what is the diamond? Hello, okay, bye.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you, madam. Thank you.